Hi, it's Natalie. I'm going to show you what I did this week. So here's the My Account button. I'm going to go so I can log in as admin and do a super fancy password. Log in. All right, and since that's a level 3, then we get this products controller page. So, and here's the first name, last name, and email. We click this. We go to the products controller, and right here is the logout button. All right. Validate the HTML. No errors. That's good. Trying to think. I validated other pages. I just don't think you want to. I don't know what ones you need to see. I think that's good. And then click log out, and it takes you out, and it's still saying welcome admin because that's in the cookie. So I think now I'm gonna have to try to remember the other password. Is okay, and so since that one is only user level 1, then I don't get the accounts controller on there, but I do get my information. So that's about it. Thank you again for all that you do, and we'll see you next week.